All right, folks, this is Ryan with TrendLizard.com. We just took a look at Amazon as one of the hot stocks that you would want to consider owning in 2019 after the big decline in late 2018 and as things are beginning to turn back up and looking promising. So this video here takes a look at Nvidia, NVDA, from its inception back at the start of 1999. And it went through a pretty rough patch for 15 years or so, just one big mess. It looks like one big triangle pattern to me, but something very clearly changed in 2015. It was trading around 20 bucks. It shot much higher from there, nearly reached 300, and then has pulled back and has given nearly half of its value back in very short order. So everything from here doesn't really matter to us. What matters is what began in 2015. This large, beautiful advance that emerged from there. Clearly something changed in late 2018, but it looks like it could be on the brink of changing again, and I'm going to show you why as we drill closer in and take a look at what's happening on NVDA. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to zoom in and look at the advance that emerged off of the 2015 low. So this is it. Lo and behold, it is a beautiful five-wave advance. Clearly it ended. Clearly a larger pullback has emerged. But this is, again, is a very clear, trendy move. Every single move took on a nice, trendy form. The overall form, as you can see, is a nice five-wave advance into about the mid-2018 high, traded sideways, and then it broke in half from there. So let's continue to drill in and take a look at things as we go here. This is the pullback off the 2018 high. You can see this whole part here was one big, choppy counter-trend mess before it entered into a very sharp decline starting in October, and again, this is where it lost more than half of its value. So Nvidia was a high flyer. It was a stud. It crushed a lot of people when it tanked, but it looks like things are about to change again. So as you can see, this decline that started in early October down into December's low has taken on a nice five-wave form, and that's exactly what we'd expect for an ending pattern to this large counter-trend pullback that began in early 2018. So even getting back up to its high just a few months ago would be a massive move. It'd be about 100% return. So that's obviously a pretty intriguing scenario. So if we take a little bit closer look at what's happening on Nvidia, this is that five-wave decline. It's hard to say exactly if a low has occurred yet. If it did occur, it was a truncation that occurred probably just a week ago or so, where the fifth wave did not move below the third wave low. That would be a truncation. It's hard to say for sure if it's over, but it looks like it's getting close, and that's what has our interest. So what we want to see as a good indication that Nvidia has found a low is a move above 155. This would be a good sign that things have changed and that Nvidia has reversed and put in a potential low. In the meantime, Nvidia needs to stay above 132 at all times. As long as it's able to do that, the potential will be there that a low is already in. If it moves below that level before it moves above 155, that's just going to be an indication that the down leg is not quite over, but it would still appear to be near. So if this guy gets above 155, it's going to look like a good buying opportunity from an Elliott Wave perspective, and it's going to be one that I'd want to own. So keep an eye out for Nvidia. I think it deserves a spot in your portfolio for 2019 as one of your anchor stocks, as long as it can get above 155 from here and stay above 132 in the meantime. So there's that. Again, this is Ryan from TrendLizard.com. This is hot stock number 2 that we're taking a look at. We're going to do 2 more videos here, one on Twitter, one on Micron Technology, to show you a couple more of the hot stocks that should be in your portfolio.